In this video, you are going to see how to merge a picture and text in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us insert a text box and write your text here. Select it, change the font and increase the font size and place it like this. Now go to insert, go to picture, go to this device and insert a picture from your computer. Click on insert. Let us reduce the picture size and place it over here. Click on right button and send it to back. Now select the picture, hold down the control key and select the text box. Go to shape format, go to merge shape and click on intersect. And here you will see the magic. The text and the picture merged successfully. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.